In this video, I will be explaining how you can create a primitive form of sensing without using a when this sprite is clicked block. Although this video does not directly relate to the use of the random block, it does pertain to the completion of the second challenge, and that for that challenge you are required to incorporate the random block in some different, unique way. As shown in the code here, you can use the random block to change the size of a sprite by a random amount if it is clicked on, and I'll demonstrate that now. So once the sprite is moving at its original size, it will change size once I click on it, and it will either become larger or smaller because it is changing by a random amount that is specified here from -50 to 50. Similarly, if I were using a sprite from the sprite library or sprite that I had drawn myself, I could change the color of it by a random value using the change color block found here. I just want to explain the code found right here, as it will help you in completing the third challenge, which is your official target practice game. We are using a forever loop here because we must continuously check to see if the sprite is being clicked on. Within that loop, forever loop, you have two if blocks. The first if block checks to see if the mouse pointer is touching the sprite. If it is, which is a prerequisite, of course, for being clicked on, it will check to see if the mouse is down. Then, if that is the case, the size of the sprite will be changed. Then a wait block is included, and the reason for that is explained in the PowerPoint notes.